how I built a client onboarding system in Notion. Ever feel like your client onboarding process is a chaotic mess of emails, scattered documents, and missteps? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. For the longest time, my own onboarding was painful. I'd finish a discovery call, feel super excited, and then the actual start of the project would be bogged down by back and forth, hunting for contracts, and constantly reminding clients what I needed from them. It was time-consuming, unprofessional, and frankly, a huge energy drain. I knew there had to be a better way to make that crucial first impression seamless, clear, and even enjoyable for both me and my clients. That's why I turned to Notion and built a robust, automated, and centralized system that completely changed the game. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 core phases of that system: the client portal dashboard, the automated workflow database, and the pre-project asset collection. This framework is adaptable for any freelancer or agency, no matter what service you offer. Phase 1, the client portal dashboard. The first piece is the client portal dashboard. Think of this as the client's single source of truth, the welcome mat they step onto when they decide to work with you. Instead of emailing PDFs, I create a dedicated, shared Notion page for every new client. This page is kept intentionally simple and includes project roadmap, a clear, visual timeline showing the high-level phases of the project, e.g., discovery, strategy, execution, launch. This instantly sets expectations. Key contacts, a quick directory with my contact information and my team's, if applicable. FAQs, answers to common questions about billing, communication hours, and emergency contacts. Direct link to contracts/invoices. While the documents live elsewhere, like DocuSign or QuickBooks, the link is always here, so they never have to search their inbox. The value here is that it gives the client a sense of control and clarity from day one. It reduces the "where is that thing?" emails by 80%. Phase 2, the automated workflow database. This is where the real time-saving magic happens. I created a master client projects database in Notion. When a new client signs on, I use a Notion template button to instantly create a new project entry. Crucially, this template automatically populates a standardized onboarding checklist with every single step, from my end and the client's end. This checklist includes things like client action, sign the service agreement, due date, week 1. My action, set up Google Drive folder, due date, day 1. Client action, complete brand questionnaire, due date, week 2. I use Notion's property fields to track the status of each item: not started, in progress, waiting on client, and complete. By using the waiting on client status, I can quickly filter the database once a week and send a polite, focused reminder email referencing the specific items they need to complete. This moves the project forward consistently, eliminating stagnation. Phase 3, pre-project asset collection. The final, essential component is the system I built for gathering necessary assets. This used to be the biggest bottleneck. I would send a long, overwhelming list, and the client would send assets piece by piece over several weeks. Now, integrated within the client portal dashboard is a section called Your Asset Drop-Off. This section contains a simplified list of everything I need, like logos, brand photos, or existing copy, and for each item there's a specific, clear instruction. For example, instead of just saying, send logos, it says, high-resolution logo files, PNG and SVG format only. Upload to the linked Google Drive folder. This structure guides the client to deliver exactly what I need, in the right format, to the right place. It prevents me from having to manually sort through low-res images from an email chain. Once everything is in the dedicated Google Drive folder, linked in their portal, I simply check off the final items in my automated workflow. By structuring my onboarding around these 3 elements, the clear, centralized client portal dashboard, the time-saving automated workflow database, and the systematic pre-project asset collection, I transformed my process from stressful to streamlined. It allows me to look professional, start projects faster, and focus my energy on the actual work my clients hired me for. I've included a link in the description to a free resource that breaks down the specific database properties and formulas I use to achieve this automation. Go grab that if you want to implement this today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.